to toe spin for beginner skaters. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you your first entrance that you should learn into your toe spin, which is a split pole entrance. We all hate a long intro, so let's roll into it. To nail a toe spin, you should practice balancing on your toes, as well as a lift and hold without rotation on the toes. Step 1, we will prep in a staggered position with the right skate in front and the left skate to the rear. If you're a clockwise spinner, simply mirror these steps. My arms will do the opposite of my skates. I'll begin with my left arm in front, and my right arm is extended outwards from my body to the side. This prep position is so important because our right skate will be rolling in a forwards rolling motion while chasing the left skate, which is rolling in a backwards rolling motion. This is known as toe chase. To allow our right skate to pivot to roll in a forwards rolling motion to chase the back skate, it must be prepped in front. This will additionally prevent your right skate from T-boning your left skate when you split to pull in. Here's this shown from the side. We'll begin with the 90-degree rotation by slightly lifting the heel axle wheels. Each time you come up on the toes, you'll open up your left arm to bring your arms perfectly even outwards from your body. Once you feel comfortable with that 90-degree rotation, you'll go for a 180-degree rotation. And after that, maybe even a full 360. You got this. Channel your inner fidget spinner. Let's go. Let's say you mastered that entrance, and now I'm going to help you get more rotations. Something no one will tell you, but I'm going to tell you because I want to help you. So don't forget to smash that follow button, is turn your toes inward. Think of your big toenails smiling at each other. This is the ultimate skate hack of keeping your spins stationary on the ground, because there's nothing worse than a spin that starts in one spot of the room and ends up in China. Additional tips that'll help keep you stationary and rotating is do not look in the direction of your spin. It'll cause you to drift, and that rule only applies to transitions, not for spins. Make sure that you are pressing into the ground between both skates equally, and always make sure that your body is rotating as a unit so that no limb gets left behind. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to smash that follow button because I post roller skating tips and tutorials on the daily.